Morning. Well, Christianity is not about fortune telling. Don't get too confused. And we see this often, the dangers of fortune telling in Christianity. In our walk with Christ, we must recognize the danger of practices like fortune telling. These activities can lead us away from our hope and peace found in God. Instead of seeking answers from the divine, people often turn to fortune tellers for their guidance. The temptation can pull us into confusion and fear. The Bible emphasizes that true wisdom and guidance come from God and God alone. We must fully trust Him with our future and allow Him to direct our paths. Focusing on God, we are safeguarded from the pitfalls that accompany chasing after fortune tellers. You see in Deuteronomy 18 verses 10 to 11, let no one be found among you who sacrifices their son or daughter in the fire, who practices divination or engages in witchcraft, who interprets omens or engages in sorcery. And we also see in Leviticus 19 verses 26, do not eat any meat of the blood store in it, do not practice divination or seek omens. Isaiah 8 verses 19 says, when someone tells you to consult mediums and spiritists who whisper and mutter, do not have people inquire of their God. Why consult the dead on behalf of the living? Have a great day, church.